Hello, fellow Chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and today, not surprised, we had another green day in the stock market, another green day for the S&P 500, as you can see here. Okay, now like always, I gotta show you what I wrote on my Discord. Okay, so I did say RSI is in overbought territory. Okay, 451 target was what was the target for today, with 447 and 445 being the support. Okay, now so far it's been a one-way breakout rally, one way. Okay, no pullback. Yeah, ever since October 13, been green, 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 green. And there it is. The market just ended. It closed on 450.6. Awesome stuff. Very bullish. Okay, guys. Strong selling, as you just saw in the last, strong buying pressure, as you saw in the last few seconds, few minutes of the market. All right. So we got to be careful here, guys, because like I just said, it's a one-way bull market, which is great for us bulls, right? Not very healthy price action wise. Okay, because when it gets unhealthy like this, when the drop down, it could be a big elevated drop, okay? So we gotta be very careful. Don't catch FOMO. Continue to be objective and enter at reasonable prices or reasonable levels, okay? Recommend identifying your not stop losses, your support levels and resistance levels, which is what we're gonna do here in this video, okay? But as you can see, we're a little overextended to the upside. SPY is now trading above the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, so be careful catching FOMO. I'm gonna say it. I've said this before. I haven't said it in a while, but as chartists, we don't want to buy the tip. We buy the dip. Okay, and technically speaking, we are back in the bull market, guys. If you haven't noticed, SPY is trading above all moving average. Okay, so when I say buy the dip and not the tip, this is not where you want to buy. You want to buy off a support level. Okay. So, where are our support levels? First of all, 5-day moving average. Remember, I always tell you about the strong bounces off the 5-day moving average? Well, as you can see, that's the red line, that's the 5-day. As you can see, not only we overextended past the upper Bollinger Band, but we are very, very far from the 5-day moving average, okay? So, the 5-day moving average is currently at 444.2, okay? That's a support level. 50-day moving average is right here holding steady at 442.9. So that's our support level, very critical. And even more critical than that is right here where the breakout level is. This white line at 439.2. Okay, those are our support levels. And of course, we have this right here, this gap that has not gotten filled just yet. So I'll show you that level. That's where the orange line is. Let me change it to white. Make it thicker. Just so y'all can see. This is a gap that needs to get filled. Also, it's where our area of liquidity is. Okay, please look up what it means, area of liquidity, or look up stop loss hunting. Look up that concept and really study it. Okay, because if market makers want to fake us out, they will send us all the way back down here into this area of liquidity, which is below the breakout level, only to fake us out and push it up even higher. Okay, so what this looked like to me is a very bullish, impulsive move to the upside. Okay, we got starting here. This is wave 1, that's wave 2, and we look at that wave 3. Is it done yet? I'm not sure, because you don't want to call a top in the bull market. All right, bears, sorry, we are in a bull market. Why? Because the chart said so. Okay. It's not me trying to come up with my own theories and logic. All right, just going based on the charts with evidence. So after a wave 3, eventually we need a wave 4, and then that will lead us for that wave, that 5th wave high. Okay, so as you can see, the move looked very, very impulsive. All right, be careful entering now, because a lot of people's gonna start to catch FOMO. A lot of bears are gonna decide, hey, it's time to be bulls. All right, even though I've been a bull since, October 13, obviously watch my videos. If you haven't watched my previous video, the evidence is there, okay? But I want to see a healthy pullback. If we don't get a healthy pullback, at least some basing, Some basic means like some sideways action is building up strength for another move of higher. Plus, you look at the RSI, we're in overbought territory. You got to be careful. So I like to see some basing, maybe get the RSI to calm down a little bit. Okay, let us see that fourth wave, that fourth correction wave, which is, that's what it is, a correction wave. It's healthy. It'll give us a better buying opportunity, and then we could head up higher. Okay, so like I said, my price target yesterday was 470, but it doesn't mean we're gonna get there right away. We gotta play it level by level, okay? So today's price target was 451, and it's currently 451 in the post market right now, okay? I would like to see a pullback to one of our support levels, and then we'll head up higher. My next price target would be 456, okay? That's my next price target. I think we'll create a new all-time high. Okay, guys, so look for buying opportunities. All right, don't try to short. Don't be a bear in the bull market. It's just probability wise, you want in the market, you want to have a probability mindset. So probability wise, that's the decision you want to make, the highest probability. So if it's a bull market, you want to stay a bull in the bull market. Identify your support levels and enter as close as you can to the support levels and ride that wave up, guys. All right, so if you see SPY tomorrow starting to go down a little bit, don't panic. Stay bullish because we're in a bull market. Look for buying opportunity. Now, you don't have to listen to me, but that's what I plan on doing off of one of these support levels. 444, 443. What was our support levels again? Let's check. So yeah, the 5 days at 444, 50 days at 443, and then the breakout are very critical at 440. We need to SPY needs to stay above 440. If SPY stays above 440, then we can get that new all-time high. If SPY is below 440, I will look for the gap fill. Okay, so you can be bearish, probably take profit at the gap fill. And if SPY is closing below 440 multiple times, there's a chance that we will head down lower to the 200-day moving average. That's pretty long overdue if you ask me, at around 416, 417 level. Okay, guys? You guys understand? Now you take a look at the VIX. VIX is looking very bearish, which is very good news for the SPY, if you're a bull, that is. Okay? When it breaks a critical support level, one close is not enough. Sometimes two closes is not enough. But look what we got. We got a third close. Okay? VIX moves in opposite direction 75 to 78% of the time of SPY. Okay? So if the VIX is moving down and you have a probability mindset, then there's a high probability that we should stay bullish because SPY will continue to go up. That's an impulsive move. You got the corrective move, A, B, C to the downside. Now we are seeing this impulsive move to the upside. Follow the trend, guys. I know it's cliche, the trend is your friend, but it really is. Okay? Stay bulls in the bull market. Do not buy the tip. Wait for the dip. Get that nice dip to our support level. For that, that will be the fourth wave to bottom of the fourth wave, and we head up higher. Okay, guys? So, bottom line, I am bullish on the SPY, but I would like to see some consolidation, some basing, maybe even a nice pullback before I would look to enter. Okay, guys? So be careful. You can always average down. It's up to you. I don't know your style, but me, I'd rather wait till it gets to a nice level. I'm very picky. I'm like a spoiled brat when it comes to trading. Okay, some people, they just want to jump in the market. They got an itchy finger to hit the buy button or the sell button or whatever it is. Hey, I'm trying to last long in this market, and this is what I recommend. Buy off of support levels. Okay, guys? But at the end of the day, you guys are going to do what you feel is best. I'm just trying to assist you and, do my best to help you guys make some money, because I know I have, not to sound cocky, but I have. And I would like to help others as well, okay? So bottom line, bullish on a SPY, but look for a buying opportunity, okay? Moving on to the triple Q. Triple Q, very nice right here, okay? We got the breakout. Okay, remember yesterday I talked about triple Q hit right at the resistance level when it stopped? Well, today we got the breakout. It came back and tested. You can see that wick right there. You can see the wick. The low of the day tested that breakout, and it continued higher. And it's unlike SPY. it's not overextended above the upper Bollinger Band. I mean, it is pretty far from the 5-day moving average because Triple Q is also having a one-way bull market, very, very, unhealthy. But at the end of the day, price action is king. It don't matter if I think it's unhealthy or not. If the market makers want to keep pushing it up, I'm going to follow it. Okay, but this looks good right here. This breakout, the retest of the breakout, and then it just kept on going for the rest of the day. Looks very good, guys. So we want to see Triple Q continue to stay above this breakout level. The breakout level is at 373. Okay, around there, a little less than 373, 372.9. Okay, we also, and if it does break down, because that is our area of liquidity, guys, we have area of liquidity where they would, market maker will potentially try to take us out and scare us. Okay, so around that orange zone, I'd say. Okay, because we do have support at the 50 and the 5 is about to touch it. The 50 is at 369.6. The 5-day moving average is about to touch it, so it's about the same. Okay, now if it stays in, if it closes below this breakout level, okay, the breakout level is 373. If you start seeing Triple Q trading multiple days below the breakout level, below 373, I would probably be more bearish, because then it would be a false breakout and we could head down lower, down to 356, possibly. Okay, but you got to watch the charts. If you want to be a chartist, you got to know how to watch these charts and let the price action guide you. Don't try to have your own personal opinions too much. Follow the price. Don't trade with your ego. Don't be an ego trader. You got a lot of ego traders out there, and that's why they lose so much money. Not ego the bird, ego. E-G-O, ego. All right, you guys, some ego traders, they want to be right. It's so important for them to be right. Who cares if you're right? It matters. What matters is you make money. Okay, you make money for retirement, pay your bills, side hustle, whatever your reason is. You can do it. You can make the money, but you got to be objective. Follow the price action, okay? So 373 is the breakout level, critical support right there. Another critical support where market makers could look to test to fake us out is 369.6. Okay? Below, multiple closes below 373, I'm bearish. If SPY closes below 369.6, I'm bearish. Okay? There you go. That's your scenario that you want to watch out for if you want to be bearish. Okay? Don't just be bearish just to be bearish because you hate the United States of America, you hate the president, you hate whoever, hate, whatever. Who cares? We're here to make money. We're not here for that BS, that political BS or whatever. We're just here to make money. Screw the FUD news. Screw all that. We're here to make money. We're here to be objective. We're here to follow the charts. The chart's bullish, we stay bullish. The chart's bearish, we stay bearish. Okay? Quite simple. All right? It doesn't have to be complicated. All right? So bottom line, I'm bullish on the spot, Triple Q. Got that bullish breakout. We are not overextended. All right? I do want to see some basing before we get another big move to the upside. And I have a 390 plus price target on the Triple Q. That's right. Okay, guys? Moving on to ARKK. ARKK beautiful. Okay, if you guys watched my video yesterday, I said I need to see ARKK close above this 50-day moving average because that was our next resistance. And look at that. Big body green candle. Market makers want this up. Market makers want to touch that 200-day moving average. I got that 122 price target. Remember, I've been talking about it all week. And now we're very, very close. Okay, so we got support right here at 117. All right, below that, 116. But the critical support level is at here, 113. Okay, guys? So play it level by level. If ARKK start closing below the 50-day moving average again, most likely we'll head to the support level 113. Below 113, I'm very bearish. Okay? But right now, price action is telling me, chartist, we going up, baby. All right. Then I'm going to follow. Smart money, it looked like it wants to push it up. All right, let's follow the smart money, okay? But I'm not just going to buy the tip. I'm going to buy the dip. You guys understand? You guys understand how this game works? Okay? So bottom line, if you're not understanding, yeah, I'm going to say it right here. Bullish on ARKK, 121, 122 price target still stands as long as we stay above 117. Okay? Below 117, we can go back and test 113. It's going to look low, start looking low bearish, okay? That's not what we want. All right? So, hope you guys understand that. Moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. You guys been paying attention to my videos, you know I save Bitcoin for the last, save the best for last. Most people only watch 5 to 10 minutes of my video or less, and they only pay attention to SPY. But if you've been paying attention to my video, you watch to the end, you guys should be making a lot of money off of Bitcoin right now, okay? I don't know if you are, but you should be, because I've been telling you guys I'm bullish with a 71K price target up here. And it looked like Bitcoin is getting very close. It's getting very, very close. About 7,000 short right now, okay? I've been saying this since it was down here, guys. If you watch my video, you know I've been bullish on Bitcoin. And if you've been following me, you guys should be up right now, okay? And I hope you guys are up. The whole point is to help my fellow retail traders make money, whether you're a bull or a bear. You guys are not my competition. My competition is the stock market itself. My competition is those market makers, those jackasses at Wall Street, yes. Okay, that wants to manipulate this market and screw us. Okay, this is my channel. I can swear, I don't care. Sorry, children, if you're watching. But yeah, bullish on Bitcoin, 71K price target. We have support here at 62, support here at 58K. 20-day moving average at 55K now. Oh, and this one with the 50 days, that's the breakout level, 49.6K. Below that, I'm very bearish. Okay, as long as we hold above these levels, I'll be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so if it drops another like 14,000 all the way down to 50K, guess what? I'm gonna buy. I'm not gonna panic. All right, because that would be a great buying opportunity before it gets to my 71K price target. Just remember where you heard it first. All right. Speaking of Bitcoin, we got a new Bitcoin ETF. Started. This is day one. We got this big green Shrek candle. It opened around $40. It's a lot cheaper. So if you're looking to get exposed to Bitcoin for cheaper, yeah, you can try BITO. That's the Bitcoin ETF. I love ETFs. I trade SPY, QQQ, ARKK. They're all ETFs. Now Bitcoin has its own ETF. You know, me, I prefer buying Bitcoin itself. Has been working, is what I've been doing. But you know, I might consider buying some BITO. But I trade based off the charts, and all I can see is one candle. Not much for me to work with. So I'm gonna stick with Bitcoin for now. But you guys do what you feel is best. Okay, guys, that's what I have for today. I'm bullish. Stay bullish in the bull market. That's the message I got. Don't buy the tip though. Buy the dip. I hope this was able to help you guys in this crazy market. If you didn't, please hit the like button. Show your boys some love. Hit the subscribe button. Join my community. We are making lots of money. We are being very profitable. Let's be profitable together. Let's do this. Okay? Screw those market makers. All right, guys? I'll see you all soon. Thanks for being here.